What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to make Chrome default browser on your laptop or your PC and how we can do this step. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about, we just need to open your Google Chrome, and right now as you can see this is my Google Chrome over here. And right now if I wanted to make it as a default one, what I need to do is just go over, click on the three dot menu, and the first and famous step is all about, I just need to go over here, click on the settings, just click on the settings. And right now there is an option called default browser, and right now as you can see the Google Chrome is your default browser, so it's already been set. Now you can change it in the settings, so just go over here, click on the settings. Now from here navigate to apps. Now from you can see there is an option called default apps, and right now as you can see there are many apps, and even if you scroll down to the Google Chrome, select the Google Chrome and you can set into default. As you can see these are the Google Chrome. As you can see I have already set into the default, so the Google Chrome is what I have set into. The Chrome is been set into default, or if you wanted to change you can change it, or if you wanted to make any changes like this you can click on this one, this particular icon. And right now you can right now as you can see the Microsoft Edge is my default one, so I'm going to change it to Google Chrome and go for set default. So right now the Google Chrome has been set into the default one. And also apart from this, if you wanted to make it more like this, if that is not working, you can just go over here once again, just get into this one. Now from here what you need to do after this, just go to the search engine, and right now as you can see the Google has been set into the search engine. So if you click on the change, we have options to change to Yahoo, Microsoft, Bing, DuckDuckGo, etc. So I'm going to keep it to Google and go for set as default. Right now this is my default one, and this is what I have to do, and I have to browse it from here. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it, bye bye.